Let us obtain effective value of spring constant for different combination of springs. A number of springs of different spring constants can be combined in series combination or in parallel combination or both in series and parallel combination. Now let us see first series combination of springs. In series combination of springs, all the springs are connected one after the other, forming a single chain like shown in this diagram. Here 4 different springs of spring constants K1, K2, K3, K4 respectively are connected one after another to same mass. So same stretching force is acting on these springs, and this combination is series combination. Now for simplicity we are going to consider only 2 springs. So consider an arrangement of 2 such springs of spring constants K1, K2 on which same stretching force is acting, and let E1 and E2 be the respective extensions produced in these 2 springs. We know that restoring force in case of spring block arrangement is given by Kx in magnitude. So here if E1 and E2 are the respective extensions produced in the spring 1 and spring 2 of force constants K1 and K2, then we can write F is equal to K1 E1, F is equal to also K2 E2. Now total extension is given by E is equal to E1 plus E2. Now substitute value and we get E is equal to, take F common, therefore E is equal to F in bracket 1 upon K1 plus 1 upon K2. Let this be equation 1. Let E is equal to F upon Ks be equation 2, where Ks is the effective spring constant. Now what do you mean by effective spring constant? So if these 2 springs are replaced by single spring of spring constant Ks, so it will give us same total extension E for the same stretching force. Now from equation 1 and 2 we can write, therefore 1 upon Ks is equal to 1 upon K1 plus 1 upon K2. We can generalize this equation for n number of such massless springs. In series combination we get 1 upon Ks is equal to 1 upon K1 plus 1 upon K2 plus dash 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 1 upon Kn, which can be written as summation of 1 upon Ki, where value of I is from 1 to n. Now if these springs are identical, then force constant of each spring will be same. So we can write K1 is equal to K2 is equal to K, मतलब उनका spring constant भी same रहेगा. So we get 1 upon Ks is equal to 1 upon K plus 1 upon K from this formula. So value of Ks is equal to K upon 2. If 3 such springs are there, then we will get here Ks is equal to K upon 3. So we can generalize for n number of identical springs. Effective spring constant Ks is equal to K upon n. Here we have taken this arrangement in horizontal plane. We can take it in vertical plane also. और vertical plane में भी हम लोग को यही relation मिलेगा. Now parallel combination of springs. In parallel combination of springs, see all these springs are connected between 2 same points. हर एक spring का एक end connected है to the rigid support and second end is connected to the mass. मास m जो इन पर stretching force apply करेगा, and this is rigid support. So when number of springs are connected in such a way, this combination is called as parallel combination. Now for simplicity we are going to consider only 2 springs, spring 1 and spring 2 connected in parallel combination with spring constants K1 and K2 respectively. And remember, these are massless springs. Stretching force F is applied at a suitable point on them by using mass M. Because of this stretching force, same extension is produced in each spring. But to balance this stretching force F, which is acting in downward direction, restoring force F1 and F2 are produced in the springs 1 and 2 depending upon their spring constants K1 and K2. F1 spring 1 के लिए और second spring के लिए F2. So we can write in equilibrium position stretching force is equal to total restoring force. यहाँ पे stretching force और जो भी total restoring force रहेगा which is provided by springs which are there, तो दोनों का मैग्नीट्यूड सेम रहेगा बट डायरेक्शंस अपोजिट रहेंगे. टोटल रिस्टोरिंग फोर्स अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में रहेगा और स्ट्रेचिंग फोर्स डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में रहेगा. देयरफॉर F इज इक्वल टू F1 प्लस F2. हियर F1 इज इक्वल टू K1 इंटू E एंड F2 इज इक्वल टू K2 इंटू E. तो वी कैन राइट, नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट दिस वैल्यूज हियर एंड वी गेट, take E common, let this be equation 1. Next, let F is equal to E Kp, equation 2, where Kp is the effective value of spring constant. If these two springs are replaced by single spring of force constant Kp by applying same stretching force, the same extension E produces in it. So this is called effective spring constant Kp. मतलब इनकी सिचुएशन और ये सिंगल स्प्रिंग की सिचुएशन अभी सेम है. तो वी कैन राइट इक्वेटिंग इक्वेशन 1 and 2, Kp E Kp is equal to E in bracket K1 plus K2. So value of Kp is equal to K1 plus K2 in parallel combination. Now we can generalize this formula for n number of springs, where K1, K2, K3 dash 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 up to Kn are their respective force constants or spring constants. If these massless springs are identical, means having same force constant, then in that case we will get Kp is equal to K plus K is equal to 2K for two springs and Kp is equal to Nk for n such massless identical springs in parallel combination.